Hello Julie and everyone. My name is Huyền and you can call me Melanie. I'm from Vietnam. Today I'm sitting here to talk about one of the biggest problems that humans around the world is dealing with. We have observed millions of human deaths from the old people, the adults, and to even children. Moreover, a lot of big global companies have been collapsed. There are so many loss and suffering that the pandemic has caused to us. But today, I do not mention about any losses or any bad consequences that COVID-19 caused to us. I would like to discuss with you some optimistic ideas that we can see from the pandemic. There are three things I'd like to ask you to think about. The first one is about the ecosystem. The second one is about health issues. And the last one is about the changes in life values. Okay, let's start with the first one about the ecosystem. According to the scientists, they have observed that the ecosystem in these 2 years have been improved better than in the past. Why? Let's start with the biodiversity of the animals. There are a great decrease in the number of hunting activities around the world. It means less animals are killed and it gives rare opportunities for them to recover, to develop their communities, and the oceans become cleaner. Fewer marine mammals, especially whales, are hunted. So it means we can prevent the extinction of endangered species around the world. And the second part in this session is about deforestation. We can see a dramatically lower emissions of carbon dioxide to the world due to the decrease of deforestation. Many people around the world right now try to focus 100% of their effort to fight against the COVID-19. Yeah. So the urban planning and the infrastructure project can be delayed and many forests can be saved. And the forest is the place where absorb the carbon dioxide and emit the oxygen to the environment. So it refresh the environment, become better, become cleaner, fresher. Yeah. And the last one is about that many countries around the world have announced a nationwide lockdown that restricts the movement of people on the street, and the number of vehicles traveling on the road have been decreased dramatically, and it leads to a huge reduction of air pollution. So our environment can become fresher, cleaner. Yeah. And to conclude this part, the scientists have observed the ecosystem in these 2 years and they give us the result and give us some reasons to explain why the ecosystem have been improved better. Okay, let's move to the second part is about the health issues. During these 2 years, people, including us, are afraid of getting sick. So what should they do? They try to eat healthy food. Yeah, in the past, maybe we were so busy, so we often choose the fast food for our meals. But right now, we try to use and even we try to cook by ourselves. Yeah, we try to change the healthy diet to improve our health to fight against with the COVID-19. Moreover, we do more exercise to enhance the physical strength. Some people choose yoga for their exercise. As you know, yoga can help us to develop mental health. Yeah. Furthermore, we pay attention on sleeping. We train a sleeping habit. We sleep more scientifically. Yeah. And when we can sleep well, we can refresh our mind, we can refresh our spirit. So at that time, we can overcome the feelings or any heavy stresses that are caused by the pandemic. Yeah, that is what we do with our health. We, we concern more about our health to protect ourselves against with the COVID-19. Yeah. And the last part in my presentation is about the life values. And I would like to emphasize the importance of this part. The first one is about the family values. Maybe in the past we focus on working. We were so busy with our work, with our personal life. But right now, when the city is in lockdown, we cannot go to work. We can spend more time at home. We can spend more time with our family, and especially we have observed many deaths from the family, from friends, and from people around us. We realize that we need to focus on our family before it's too late. Yeah, before we have no chance to say goodbye or to stay behind with our family members in their last minute of life due to the COVID-19. We recognize the important role of family in life. Yeah. Moreover, the spirit of mutual love can be spread around the world. It's very a good thing that pandemic give us. Yeah. People maybe from different countries, maybe from different cities or different places. They let their personal benefit away and they try to help each other. They try to share food. They try to share anything that they have with other people, even with the strangers, because they know people need to be together to fight against the COVID, to help each other in this darkest period of humanity. Yeah, and they are more willing to help people. It's very good about this. Yeah, and the last one I would like to mention, the COVID-19 can be a warning bell that the modern nature gives us. If the COVID-19 did not happen, whether we can realize that what we have done in the past, or we can realize the importance of family. Yes. And what about the willing of helping people around us? Yeah, maybe we will not think about it if the COVID pandemic did not happen. Yes. And the COVID-19 is a chance for us to have a look at what we have done to the earth, what we have damaged to our mother nature. And we need to think about the solution to protect the earth, to protect the human life in the future before it is too late, before it may be the end of our human life. Yeah, in conclusion, COVID-19 caused many loss, many damage to our human life. But it is also a chance for our environment to recover, to respond to the human activities. Yeah, and it is a precious opportunity for people to think about what we have done to the earth and what we should do to protect our life in the future. And the purpose of this presentation is giving a hope to human when we are suffering the losses that COVID pandemic caused to us. And thank you for listening. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.